How much does it cost you to build a list of 150,000 plus customers that we can consistently promote you and your business to? If you use digital advertising, depending on your industry, some industries cost $150 to generate one lead through digital advertising. However, marketing data shows that on average, Facebook and Instagram ads, you would spend $5 to $40 per lead and $750,000 to $6 million. Google search, you would pay $10 to $70 per lead, or $1.5 million to $10.5 million. YouTube ads at $3 to $20 per lead and $450,000 to $3 million. TikTok ads you would pay between $2 to $10 per lead and $300,000 to $1.5 million. LinkedIn ads would run $50 to $150 per lead and $7.5 million to $22.5 million for 150,000 plus LA-based customers and growing. If you have a business in Los Angeles, or if it's not important where your customers come from and or would like to sell to the residents of Los Angeles, California, then this is perfect for you. We have not built this customer base by spending millions in advertising, but by leveraging someone else's following and or their financial resources to build a customer base of 150,000 customers and growing. Every business wants to grow, but the method you choose makes all the difference in cost, conversion, and long-term sustainability. The go-to strategy for many companies is paid digital advertising because they are unaware of any other options. However, joint ventures is a smarter, zero-risk way to reach the same audience without burning through your budget. People love the idea of using someone else's following to build their customer base, but going from idea to putting this into action is too much for many of you because putting joint venture deals together is very complicated. So many people decide to hire what is called as a joint venture broker, someone who will manage the deal and put the deal together for you. However, joint ventures brokers are very expensive, which is why many small businesses don't use them. For example, in our 4-part video series, you heard about Frank Kern, who does not broker many joint ventures anymore. However, when he did, he would charge $100,000 up front and a percentage of the deal on the back end. So typically, he would get between $300,000 to $600,000 to put a deal together. To open this opportunity up to as many smaller companies as possible, we have created a shortcut, a software that does the work for you. This is the first time, to my knowledge, that anything like this has been opened up to smaller companies. Many of you have a website, but you need more than a website. You need what we call as an auto sales closing system, a system that does the selling for you, or what is often referred to as a sales funnel. We decided to use the term of an auto sales closing system because it best describes what this software does. We don't want to send this traffic to just anyone, but someone who has the proper system set up in their business. If you do not have the proper systems inside your company, no joint venture broker will take you on as a client. So this is why we decided to help you out with this too. This is why franchises are so successful. Most company founders start a company and have to figure it out on their own. However, with a franchise, you have a proven infrastructure inside their company that helps them be more successful. Yes, I am looking to promote you to my 150,000 customers and growing for free because, as many of you know, I used to do this for a $400 million marketing firm. So I am taking on a small test group of clients for free because I need more testimonials to show this works for smaller companies too. There is always a cost to doing business. This still costs us $100,000 to put a project like this together. However, it is all that we ask you put in a small retainer in the hundreds of dollars to help cover the cost of the software, labor, and put some skin in the game. Because of the relationships we have been able to do this for a fraction of what it would typically cost you to set this up. You do not have to work with us. You can also hire this out and have someone do this for you. If you'd like, we have provided you the contracts to have someone do this for you. However, let me show you what we're going to do for you and what you'd pay if you hired this out. Opt-in page plus video, professionally designed landing page to capture subscribers, plus one video, 2 to 3 minutes. Average cost without us $500 to $2,000. Tripwire offer, $7 offer, plus video, sales video, plus order page, plus checkout integration. Average cost without us $750 to $2,500. One click. Upsell $47 offer. Video plus upsell page with one click buy. Average cost without us $500 to $2,000. Core offer, $199 offer. Sales page plus long form sales video. Average cost without us $1,000 to $3,000. Email sequence to webinar. Webinar funnel, $1,000 offer. Pre-webinar emails plus replay page plus webinar funnel setup. Average cost without us $1,500 to $4,000. 5-day automated email sequence plus webinar registration page. Average cost without us $1,000 to $2,500. High ticket appointment funnel. It's a $5,000 to $25,000 offer. Video plus scheduling page plus pre-call email funnel. Average cost without us $1,000 to $3,000. AI sales assistant, prescriptive voice flows, plus basic speech to text, plus text to speech, plus can answer FAQs or root calls, plus integrates with calendars or CRM. Average cost without us $300 to $1,000. Advanced human-like AI sales rep. Sounds natural, uses tonality and emotion, plus handles complex objections and live call negotiation, plus connects to real-time data inventory pricing. CRM plus adapts voice tone to match caller's emotional state. Handles inbound and outbound calls at scale. Average cost without us $10,000 to $100,000. Coming soon. Video production per video. Average cost without us $300 to $2,000 depending on quality. Can be DIY to save money. Copywriting per page video script. Average cost without us $200 to $1,500. Project management. Some agencies charge $500 to $2,000 to manage everything end to end. Continued monthly costs. Software tools. $100 to $300 per month. ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kartra, ActiveCampaign, etc. ClickFunnels. $300 Go High Level. $300 AI Voice. Over Software. $100 AI Image and Video Creator. $25 Image Editing Tool. $25 30-day email. Copywriter plus AI Voice plus AI Image Creation plus editing. Average cost without us $1,200 to $2,500 per month. Review. Cost of $300,000 to $7.5 million to build a customer list of 150,000 customers through digital paid advertising. Then another $8,000 to $22,000 upfront to hire this out. Then there is another $9,000 a year in software and a yearly cost of $14,400 to $30,000 in ongoing costs to hire this out. Most smaller companies go after the same type of customer. This is why even if you are successful, many small businesses get stuck at around $1 million to $3 million a year. However, if you reposition yourself to find different types of customers and expand your market, you can grow to 10 million or more. Even if you do not have the drive to build a $1 million enterprise, what would be easier to go after? The same customers your competitors are going after, or to go after a group that either none or very few of your competitors are going after. Because of this, we have created multiple systems. We have 10 plus campaigns to expand your market. and go after different types of customers for a cost of $75,000 to $222,000 in upfront cost to hire this out. However, that is just for 10 of them. We are continuing to expand our network of different campaigns. It is only because of our joint venture relationships we have been able to do this with such a small commitment. The reason we ask for a retainer to help cover the cost of the software is because we are making improvements. By reinvesting into this project, the more improvements we make, a higher level of commitment will be required. Again, all that we ask is you put in a small retainer in the hundreds of dollars to help cover the cost of the software, labor, and put some skin in the game. So right now is the best time to get started, because longer you wait, the more of a commitment will be required. You'll find all the details below this video, so fill out the form on the page in front of you to get started. Imagine had you known about this idea years ago, just imagine where'd you be today. But right now is the best time to get started, because this is the first time anything like this has been made available to everyone. Just imagine where you'll be if you do nothing. By working with us, we can help you get a jump start without the typical struggles that come with the growth stage of your business. So do not pass up on this opportunity. So fill out the form on the page in front of to get started. One more thing, stay healthy. Have a great day.